In the year 1985, Kaziranga was rightfully declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO for its distinctive natural environment. It is approximately 40 kilometers in length from east to west and 13 kilometers in breadth from north to south. Kaziranga covers a total area of 378 square kilometers, of which a significant amount has been lost due to the floods. As a result, a total addition of 429 square kilometers along the present boundary of the park has been made and designated with separate national park status to provide extended habitat for increasing the population of wildlife, or as a corridor for safe movement of animals to Karbi Anglong Hills.